Today we are going to do Ho'oponopono for health. A lot of you on YouTube have been asking me, can I bring back that series of Ho'oponopono on health, relationships, career and money? Series is back on your popular demand starting today. Today we are going to work on health, so let's get ready for magical results. In fact, this recording that I have done on Ho'oponopono for health, relationships, career and money is done with a community of 1,000 people live on Zoom, where we practice every day with students, part of a course called DMP, Daily Magic Practice. Go through this, experience for yourself what my DMP students experience with me every day. When you realize that you want to be part of this magical community too, the link is below this description. Click on it, register, and become part of the DMP course and start practicing your magic today. Now, let's get ready to learn and practice Ho'oponopono for your health. Let's get ready. So keep your hands on your heart. Close your eyes all the time. And here we go. All right, first of all, everybody able to hear my voice and music clear? Just give me a quick thumbs up. Awesome. And here we go. Hands on your heart, close your eyes, relax your energy, and now repeat with me. I take 100% responsibility for my emotional and physical health. I take 100% responsibility for my emotional and physical health. Nothing is happening to me emotionally or physically. I am responsible for it. Whatever I am feeling emotionally, whatever I am going through physically, I am 100% responsible for creating this situation. Now, I want you to feel your heart with your hands. And if you close your eyes, it's easy to feel your heart. And say it with me. I am sorry, dear heart, for not taking care of you. I'm sorry, dear body, for overusing you, for overfeeding you. I am sorry for not doing what is necessary to maintain amazing health standards, platinum health standards. Please forgive me for all the tension that I take that puts so much load on my emotional and physical health. Please forgive me for not prioritizing my emotional health, for not prioritizing my physical health. Please forgive me, dear body, for not taking care of you. Please forgive me, dear mind, for not taking care of you. Thank you for taking care of me, even though I haven't taken care of you always. Dear heart, thank you for this unlimited beating, this unlimited heartbeats. Thank you, dear body, for the food digestion, for the amazing immunity. Thank you, dear body, for surviving even in such tough conditions. Thank you for now giving me the ability to raise my health standards and my emotional standards. Thank you for giving me the ability to live life platinum standards, emotionally and physically both. I love you, my dear body. And from now on, I promise you, I will treat you like my temple. I love you, dear body. That is why I will keep you strong and healthy. I love you, my dear heart. That is why I will emotionally keep you happy. I love you, dear body. That is why I will serve you healthy food. From now on, I promise myself to not only heal my emotional and physical body, but to raise my standards and live life platinum standards in my health. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. And repeat with me again. I take 100% responsibility for my emotional and physical health. I'm sorry for not keeping myself happy. I'm sorry for not exercising and taking care of my fitness. I'm sorry for not accepting myself the way I am. Please forgive me for taking my happiness for granted. Please forgive me for taking my body for granted. Please forgive me for taking life for granted. Thank you, dear universe, for giving me the power to heal myself emotionally and physically both. Thank you, dear universe, for giving me the power to prioritize myself and keep myself emotionally healthy. Thank you, dear universe, for giving me the power to exercise every day, to eat healthy food every day, and to maintain amazing fitness standards, platinum health standards. I love myself. That is why I take care of myself. I love myself. That is why I treat my body like a temple. I love myself. That is why I keep myself happy. Because I care for myself. From now on, I take 100% responsibility for my health, emotionally and physically both. One more time, open your eyes and repeat with me again. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Awesome. All right. How was that experience of Hope Nope No for Health? Want to be part of this community? You want to also be part of this live Zoom sessions every day with me, Monday to Friday at 9 p.m.? If yes, there are 2 links for you in the description below this video. One link is to experience one more lesson free if you want to go through one more lesson free on DMP, Daily Magic Practice. Second link is if you're 100% sure that, no, Mitesh, I'm sure I don't want another lesson free. I'm sure I want to be part of this Daily Magic Practice starting today night at 9 p.m. If you're sure of it, there is another link, which is the payment link for joining Daily Magic Practice course. It's as good as only 2 vada pavs every day, and you'll be part of Daily Magic Practice starting today. So take advantage, click on that link below, join DMP today and experience this kind of magic every day with me. And hey, if you want me to create a video on Hope Nope No for relationships, for career, for money, tell me in the comments section below. And if you want to see those videos on YouTube, quickly click on the subscribe button and the bell icon, because only then you get a notification when I release the next Hope Nope No video for relationships or career or money. Looking forward to it. So am I. See you soon in the next video. What are you waiting for? Quickly click below this video, click on it, register now for either the free session or directly join the paid session, and starting today, see me at 9 p.m. Okay, see you. Bye-bye.